Is Apex AI really the ultimate AI tool for 2025 or just another shiny object? In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what Apex AI does, how it works, and whether it can actually make you money. Stay tuned, because I'll also share a bonus strategy to get free traffic using Apex AI. If you've been watching the AI space, you know tools pop up every week claiming to revolutionize your workflow. The problem? Most are overpriced, overhyped, or flat out don't deliver. But Apex AI is different. It's designed to integrate AI-powered automation, content creation, and analytics into one platform. Today, I'll give you the facts, show you how to use it, and explain how to turn it into a passive income stream. Apex AI is an all-in-one AI productivity and business automation tool. It can create high-quality written, audio, and video content. It integrates with CRMs, email marketing, and social media. It includes built-in analytics to track ROI. Think of it as your personal AI assistant, but instead of just chatting, it actually builds your content and business assets for you. We're in the LLMO era, large language model optimization. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity are now surfacing real user content in answers. Apex AI is designed to help you create AI-friendly, discoverable, and monetizable content faster than ever. If you combine Apex AI's automation with an LLMO strategy, you can dominate search inside AI tools, not just Google. Sign up and set goals. Decide if you're focusing on blog content, YouTube videos, or social posts. Choose a workflow template. Apex AI has pre-built templates for affiliate marketing, product reviews, and lead magnets. Feed it your prompts. Use natural language Q&A prompts so AI tools can reference your content later. Publish on AI-friendly platforms. Post your output to YouTube, Medium, Google Docs, or Substack. Monetize. Add affiliate links, course offers, or free toolkits to everything you publish. Affiliate marketing. Use it to produce review content for products you promote. Lead generation. Offer free AI-generated templates or guides to collect emails. Course creation. Turn AI output into structured trainings. Custom GPTs. Load your Apex AI-generated content into a GPT and embed monetized links. Q. Can Apex AI replace ChatGPT? No. It's not just a chatbot. It's more of an AI-powered content engine that uses LLMs like ChatGPT under the hood. Q. Do I need tech skills to use it? No. Templates and drag-and-drop workflows make it beginner-friendly. Q. Is Apex AI worth it for affiliate marketers? Yes, if you use it to create structured AI-visible content with monetized CTAs. Act like an Apex AI expert and create a 5-day content plan for affiliate marketing in 2025, optimized for ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Apex AI isn't just another AI tool, it's a leverage machine. If you combine it with an LLMO strategy, you can get discovered inside AI tools, Google, and YouTube, all at the same time. I've dropped my Apex AI bonus guide in the description. It includes a full traffic plan and prompt pack. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more AI marketing strategies, and I'll see you in the next one.